to make you feel my love.
Civil authorities and Alert Ready has issued a statewide Amber Alert for British Columbia of Canada and Washington of USA. A child has been abducted from Maple Falls, Washington and is believed to be in grave danger. The child's name is Chase Harlowton. He is an 18-year-old white male, 6 feet 2 inches tall, 170 pounds with brown messy hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing red jeans, red hoodie, gray and red Jordan shoes, black cap, and a Hellcat chain. Abducted by her older sister Roxy Elena Harlowton, a 19-year-old white female, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 145 pounds with blonde hair and brown eyes. Roxy abducted Chase at gunpoint, robbed Chase out of his belongings and money. Roxy stole parents' car, and fled the scene. Vehicle is described as a brown 2012 Chevrolet Equinox, Washington license plate of AKY 6526. May be traveling to Fort Nelson, British Columbia. If you have any information regarding this abduction, or if seen, do not approach, call 911 or go to amberalert.gov.